yeah. From the source to the delta, this is our life, our future. Let's rise and protect it. Let's secure the Zambezi. Guard the water, set it free. From the mountains to the sea, it's our life, our legacy. Let's secure the Zambezi. Stand together, you and me. One basin, one destiny. For our children, let it be. I see the river flowing, carrying our dreams, feeding every village, stronger than it seems. From the rains in the highlands to the valley floor, it's a blessing we can't ignore. But now the tides are changing, danger in the flow, pollution in the waters, things we never saw. If we don't rise now, what will we say when tomorrow fades away? Oh, protect what we've been given. Oh, this river is our living. Stand up now, don't wait for someday. The future starts today. Let's secure the Zambezi. Guard the water, set it free. From the mountains to the sea, it's our life, our legacy. Yeah. Abana besu bale pusha bushe finchi tule chita. Our children are asking, what are we doing? If you're too late, shalelo. If you're back, sangamailo. What we live today is what they'll find tomorrow. From Zambezi riverbanks to every town, we can't let our future drown. Farmers, fishers, leaders stand. Together we protect this land. No more silence, no more waiting. This is more than just debating. Every drop is life we hold. More than diamonds, more than gold. Raise your voice, let it be heard. Action louder than every word. Let's secure the Zambezi for the ones who'll never see. Generation to generation, this is our declaration. Let's secure the Zambezi. One basin, one family. Hand in hand we rise today, and we'll never fade away. Never fade away. Water is life, and life must be protected. Secure the Zambezi. We secure nature. Nature secured us. JB Freshman, call me Mr. Nature. Fresh vibes forever.